Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Sane channel for today's video. So another good project that I can show you right now guys. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment only. So always do your own research because crypto has a risk guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the project. So what is Hashwhale? Okay? So Hashwhale is a global leader BTC-fied infrastructure dedicated to providing enterprises and individual users with secure, compliant, and innovative Bitcoin financial services. Its core offering cover Bitcoin wallets and assets custody, instant swap, staking, and inheritance services, guys. Okay? So what is principal protected mining? So this is cloud hash rate investment product that lets you mine BTC without worrying about losing your capital. Okay, your returns are locked until maturity, and when the product expires, you can either choose capital protection and get your principal plus fixed yield back in USDT, withdraw in BTC and take advantage of market gains, or auto renew guys, okay, to keep compounding your profits. Here at the website, you can also apply for the node affiliate guys. Click the link on my description down below. Just click the apply button. You can either use any nickname here, region, your YouTube channel, Twitter if you have, and also the referee guys. Okay, so this one, just put the referee right there and then submit it guys. Okay, so after that, you are good to go. So the principal protected mining, so this is the one guys. The initial investment has a 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, and 360 days guys. The BTC price estimate, current BTC price right here guys, you can estimate here your profit. If you put 100, okay, and you estimate that the BTC price will come up right as big as this guys, your static output ratio is 258.11%. You don't have to worry guys because it has a principal, safety, flexible option, transparent returns, and asset continuity. Also guys, the principal protected mining is a BTC cloud mining model that lets users earn mining rewards while keeping their capital 100% safe. Okay? So at maturity, you can choose either protect capital, receive full principal plus fixed interest, or receive BTC get mined BTC after a 10% service fee deduction guys. Also, if you scroll down here at the facts, also what is principal protected mining? So principal protected mining is a Hashwhale cloud hash rate saving products. When a user purchases this product, the mining proceeds are locked until maturity. So at maturity, the user can choose one of settlement option: principal protection, cash settlement, or withdraw mine coins. The principal protection at maturity guys, if the user selects principal protections, the original principal is returned to the funds account and the fixed savings yield based on the product's tenor. It's credited to the earned account. The current fixed annualized rates are, so 30 days, you will have 6%, 98%, 180, and 10%, 360 on 12% guys. Also, there are some explanation or deep explanation right here at the website guys, like BTC payout orders, and extension is illustrative example guys, principal protection settlement, and coin withdrawal settlement also available here at the facts that you can read guys. So how does principal protected mining differ from regular mining? Okay, so the dimension standard mining principal is directly affected by price swings. The principal protected mining principal is protected and will not occur losses. Return model, mining output plus gain from price fluctuation, so fixed base returns plus additional gains if BTC rises. Suitable users experience user with high risk tolerance, user who prefer stable and conservative investments. The maturity handling, withdraw mining output, the standard mining, while the principal choice of principal protection or BTC withdrawal guys. Okay, so how to join also available. What are the advantage of this one? In a bear market, buying BTC directly value drops if price falls 100k, 80k, you lose 20% all in all guys. So principal protected mining risk hedge with insurance mechanism, principal return or majority plus guaranteed interest. Safe even if BTC crashes, like a secure deposit protecting capital while earning steady yield. If in a bull market, fixed rate products only annualized return, no upside from BTC growth, while principal, like this user, you can choose BTC settlement to enjoy price appreciation, like capital floor plus upside potential, offering both stability and high returns, guys. Okay? Also, they have the graph here that explaining the earning comparison between principal protected mining versus earning, guys. Okay, so the earning and the earn, guys. Also, they have principal protected mining versus the token holdings, guys. Okay, so the orange one is the principal. Okay, and the blue one is the token holdings, guys. You are losing a profit right there. Okay. And also, they have a financial returns right here. Smart financial management for steady growth. Let every hash rate work to maximize your return, guys. So, all earn products. For example, the USDT, guys, 7 to 12% APR. Duration is 360 days, guys. If you want to choose the simple plan or simple earn 12%, guys, click this one. And then, you will have your balance here. You can use also the earn account and the balance account, guys. For example, 100. The estimate daily earning is 0.0328 USDT, guys. That's the daily earning. Okay? So that's the profit that you are looking for. So 0 free convert instant access. You can download now to start the mining, guys. It's available on Android and iOS. Just scan this QR code. Okay? So, news and research report and announcement also available here at the website. So, here's your account, guys. Your wallet, hash rate, my orders, principal protected, my electricity loan, my whale, security, guys. Okay, and your account itself, guys. The convert button here, guys. Let's check the convert button. Okay, so this is the convert. The event, let's see the event, guys. Okay. So, some events are happening also here at the hash wheel, guys. Okay. So, the platform has a hash wheel node, guys. Okay. So, keep that in mind that you must apply here. Okay. So, backed by physical mining farms and stable and reliable commission, flexible commission usage, diversified income, and your influence, your rules, guys. Okay, so we're in time, guys, where Bitcoin's adoptions is booming. Institutions are entering the space, and BTCFi is becoming the next big wave, guys. So invested 1,000 USDT in mining 1 year ago, your returns could be over 50% by now. So Bitcoin isn't just retail investors, guys. More and more public companies are adding it to their treasuries, guys. Okay? Let's see the price right now of the BTC. Current BTC price is $93,000, guys. Okay? So your current market data as of now is the public, for example, no, the 35 public companies now hold over 1,000 BTC, up from 24 in Q1 and 30 in Q2, guys. So the institutions are increasingly allocating to Bitcoin. They're transferring all funds on the Bitcoin holdings, guys. So Bitcoin is the ultimate value investment asset, where in a bull market, the future is bright, guys. Okay, so you're getting me. So from 2017 to 2025, Bitcoin is the digital gold, rose overall despite sharp volatility and gradually gain recognition from traditionally financial institution and mainstream capital market, guys. Okay, so if you want to learn more, just comment down below, share this video, and like. So again, this is Crypto Asi, guys. Bye bye.